Welcome guys, this is Rajesh Singh with a new video. In this video you will be revising English short story titled The Man Who Knew Too Much. This story is also very interesting and so you are supposed to watch this video from beginning to end without a skip. Guys, further you are requested to subscribe my channel today. Now let's start with the introduction. The story is about a young soldier named Quelch. He had been recently admitted into the army but has a vast and detailed knowledge of various things such as guns, planes, bombs, etc. He is keen to earn medals and positions and so he keeps on increasing his knowledge. He is overconfident, shows off his knowledge to his seniors and shows his peers down. Everyone dislikes him and finally one of the officers puts him on a permanent duty in the army kitchen. These negative qualities of Quaich put an end to his bright career. The lesson teaches us that we must remain grounded down to earth even if we are a storehouse of knowledge. We must keep it to ourselves until asked for. Overconfidence and showing off are bad for a person and we must keep ourselves away from them. Guys, these were the introductions of the story. Now, let's know the story in brief. The writer narrates the story of his initial days at the army. Private Quelch was a soldier, a companion of the writer. He was tall, thin, stooped, and had a frown on his face. He wore spectacles also, and so he earned the nickname of Professor. He was very capable and intelligent. He worked hard to achieve his goals. He was helpful, had a lot of physical stamina and worked really hard. His aim was to earn the army ranks for which he even tried to impress the officers and seniors. One day, when the sergeant was lecturing them on the use of a rifle, Quail interrupted and corrected him. This was irritating and annoying as it implied disrespect for his senior. Quelch often displayed his vast knowledge and called it a matter of intelligent reading. All his companions and seniors were shone down and their respect for him turned into hatred. Although he was hard-working and dedicated, his boastful nature earned him dislike and his companions feared his arrival and irritating lectures. Then one day Corporal Turnbull was lecturing the soldiers about a grenade and as usual Quelch interrupted him. As the corporal was a short-tempered man and did not tolerate fooling around, he decided to teach him a lesson. The corporal said that as Quelch was so well versed, it would be better if he himself gave the lecture. Quelch performed excellently. Turnbull said that he had, a, he had to select a responsible soldier for permanent cook house duty. He said that Quelch was the right person for the job. Thus, the corporal taught Quelch a lesson by appointing him as a cook and thus putting an end to his career as an officer in the army. Still, Quayle was unaffected as he took up this duty also wholeheartedly. He was sincere as a cook also and unaware of the implications of his nature that had been bestowed upon him by his seniors. Thus, the story, The Man Who Knew Much, comes to an end. Thank you friends for visiting Ayansh Tutorials. See you again. Bye.